When it comes to food or hair, if it's good enough for Jennifer Aniston, it's good enough for me. Today we're gonna make Jennifer Aniston's favorite salad that apparently she ate all the time while filming Friends. All you need to do to start is rinse quinoa. You wanna thoroughly rinse it and drain it. Then you can cook it as directed on the package. Mine took about 17 minutes. Fluff it, set it aside. In a large bowl, whisk together the lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, some garlic powder, sea salt, and black pepper. This is such a yummy dressing, super heavy on the lemon. It's perfect. Just taste test it as you go and add more or less of ingredients until you like the dressing. If it's sour, you want to add a little olive oil and salt. If it's too much like olive oil, then add some more lemon juice. Add in the parsley and mint and whisk the dressing to combine. Add chickpeas, cucumber, red onion, and crushed pistachio. Toss to combine. Add in cooked quinoa and toss again. Transfer to a salad serving dish. Top with tons of feta crumbles. Eat it immediately or serve it chilled. I can eat this for a few days. No problem. My family loves it. I hope you do too. Like and subscribe for more easy and fun recipes to make. Have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers.